Alright, welcome to my channel. I'm glad you're here with me today. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you my recipe for chin chin. We're going to be making 2 kg of chin chin. That's 2 measures of chin chin. And I've already sifted my flour here. I've got my nutmeg here. I'm using the sachet nutmeg. I'm using vanilla flavor. But then I just want to show it to you. I've already sifted in these ones together here. Now I'm going to add my sugar. I'm using 1.5 cup of sugar. So this is 1 cup here. Going to add in the sugar, and then this is 1/4, not half. 1/4. I'm using 1/4. The person who wants it changing specifically say doesn't want much sugar in it. Even this one I'm contemplating, maybe it's going to be over, but at least this one is going to be okay. So I got my baking powder here. I'm going to be using 2 teaspoons. Okay, that's a teaspoon. And then I'm going to be using cinnamon, 1 teaspoon. Now cinnamon is good in calories. It gives a very good color. I like the color, but cinnamon usually. So I'm going to sift this together, just like this. And I've got my margarine here. I'm going to be using, this is 250 gram. I'm going to be using about 200 gram of this margarine. We don't really need much of it because we only need it for the softness of the chin chin. By the time you put too much of margarine, your chin chin is going to fume when you're frying. So I always try to run away from that. So just like that, I'm going to mix in all of these. I'm going to add my egg, my 2 eggs. Okay. Yeah. Not it. Like it. Now I'm going to mix this before adding my milk. So I want to have a sandy texture first. I've got the sandy texture. I'm going to add my milk and my vanilla flavor. That's the liquid one. Alright, so that's what I'm going to do. Actually going to take some time doing this actually with little patience. Okay, I'm beginning to get the sandy texture already. I've got the sandy texture now. So I'm going to add my liquid milk now. But then I've got hot water in case my milk is not enough for the mixture. I'm going to add in the liquid water there. So I'm going to make a hole, or maybe I should just add the water at once. I'm going to make in a hole here. Now begin to add in little by little. You don't want to add this at the same time because you want to, there's a particular texture you want, so you wouldn't want to add in too much of that, of the liquid into it. So gradually you are mixing your dough, gradually you are adding your milk, and then until you get the texture you want. Actually, making chin chin takes time. It needs patience, okay? Yeah. So is finished now. I'm forced to use water now, but no problem at this point. There's no problem adding water at this point because I've got all my ingredients together here. Alright, apart from the liquid vanilla, which I want to get the dough first before I will add that on. Okay, I've got additional water here. Solid hot water. Okay. Okay, we're getting something already we can work with. Okay.